I mean, is this even real? It's ridiculous. It's beautiful.
We're here.
We made it to Milford. We're here in Milford. You can see, man, is it beautiful
Peak
behind us.
Mm-hmm.
We're waiting for our boat to come in, our ship to come in. And we're gonna go see if we can find some bug spray. There's these little sand flies that are just atrocious around here. Oh yeah, hey, that'd be great, thank you.
Right.
Yeah, just mind to stick down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
What we'll do, we'll just put the bags down here.
Oh, okay.
If you want to make your way upstairs here, this is Rob.
You're our skipper then, huh?
I think so, yeah.
Alright.
I have a crack and it's normally Paul. I've got to give it a go today. I don't do it every day. Just go and have a seat,
Fake it
guys.
till you make it, right?
Yeah, that's it. We have a tender. We have kayaks and we also have life jackets in your rooms. There's 2 under your beds.
It's our messy cabin.
I didn't make it messy.
You didn't?
I'm not sure who did, but it wasn't me. Like our own private deck. It is a hot tub.
Alright. Our own private tub and helipad.
Thank you.
So we're heading, doing a little small boat tour here.
It's a 2 to 3 day hike. Starts in Tianao. You have to take a boat to the other side of the lake. Then you go up and over the mountain and down here to Sandfly Point, which if it wasn't raining, we would know why it was named Sandfly Point.
Tell me what it is.
This is, I don't know what it is.
I think it's like phyllo dough and...
But what is inside it?
It's a mystery.
We've done maybe 4 times on the South Island, twice.
Try.
Oh, it's over here. I'm sorry. Sorry.
How is it? What is it? What's in there?
There's beans?
You're right.
Okay.
I think it's gotten a lot worse.
I think just beans.
I think you said curry.
It doesn't taste like curry.
No curry?
It's flavored beans.
Okay.
It's very good.
Well, I'm gonna try it too.
I have curry with some rice, and this little salad looks amazing. Yeah.
Taste it. Let me know how it is.
Okay. Some of this. Some of that.
Well, that doesn't seem good.
Okay.
And?
You're gonna like it.
All right. Looks like we have some apples and strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and some type of saucy syrup.
Okay. And it's good? Okay.
It's perfect. Dinner was great. The boat was very comfortable. It's very nice.
It's beautiful. I'm a little chilly actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thanks for taking me
I'm
here.
good. Oh, thanks for coming here with me. It's the best.
Good morning from Fjordlands. and got some nice beautiful waterfalls here in the background. I don't know if you can hear them. Got a little bit of wind, and just out here on the helipad. Gonna try to get some yoga on a little bit later, but man, beautiful waterfalls.